Still coughing weeks after a cold? Even without fever or mucus, that cough can linger for 3 to 6 weeks. And while many turn to strong medications like cortisone, a clinical study showed that a simple mix of coffee with honey can be even more effective. In the study, those who took coffee with honey reduced their cough to just 0.2 episodes a day, while cortisone only brought it down to 2.4. Why does it work? Coffee helps balance the body's pH, and honey has powerful antimicrobial and antioxidant properties. Before heading to the pharmacy, try this natural remedy. A warm cup of coffee with honey might be just what you need. Don't medicate. Try this natural fix first.